There lived a wise bear named Batuk in the forest. He wore glasses and helped everyone. One day, a theft took place in the forest. All the animals started suspecting each other. Batuk said that hiding the truth increases fear, but telling the truth builds trust. He asked everyone to be honest. Finally, the rabbit admitted the truth that he had made a mistake. Everyone forgave him. Peace returned to the forest. Batuk explained that the truth may be bitter, but it shows the right path and strengthens relationships.